What if I told you that your garden could defend itself without a single drop of chemical pesticide? Imagine plants that not only grow beautifully but also act like tiny, silent bodyguards, protecting your crops from pests while improving your soil. Sounds like a scene from a science fiction movie, right? But it's not. It's real, and it's called companion planting. Here's the thing. Every time you lose a tomato to a hornworm or watch your leafy greens turn into a buffet for aphids, you might be missing a secret weapon already growing in your garden. What if the answer wasn't in a bottle from the store, but in the plants themselves? Could marigolds be more than just pretty flowers? Could basil do more than spice up your pasta? And here's the kicker, some plants aren't just helpers, they're pest magnets, sacrificing themselves to save your prized veggies. Why would any plant do that? Better yet, how can you use that to your advantage? Stick around because I'm about to reveal 7 companion plants that not only fend off pests naturally, but might completely change the way you look at gardening forever. Are you ready to uncover these game changers? Let's dig in. Let's dive right into the 7 amazing companion plants that can transform your garden into a natural fortress against pests. First up, marigolds, the pest-repelling heroes. Marigolds are more than a colorful addition to your garden, they're a natural defense system. These vibrant flowers produce thiophene, a compound that disrupts nematodes, microscopic pests that attack plant roots. Additionally, their pungent scent confuses common pests like aphids, whiteflies, and even tomato hornworms, making it harder for them to locate your crops. Marigolds pair exceptionally well with vegetables like tomatoes, peppers, and beans. They don't just protect these plants, they also enhance their growth by reducing competition from pests. To get the most out of marigolds, plant them as a border around your vegetable beds or intersperse them with your crops. But the benefits don't stop there. Marigolds attract beneficial insects like ladybugs and parasitic wasps, which prey on destructive pests. This creates a natural ecosystem where your garden thrives without the need for harmful chemicals. As a bonus, they're drought-tolerant and easy to grow, making them perfect for gardeners of all skill levels. Want a garden that's as beautiful as it is functional? Marigolds offer the perfect mix of aesthetics and utility, proving that sometimes nature's solutions are the simplest and most effective. Next up, basil, more than a kitchen staple. Basil isn't just for pesto, it's a natural pest deterrent with incredible versatility. Its strong aroma confuses pests like mosquitoes, thrips, and flies, reducing the chances of an infestation. This protective quality makes basil a must-have companion for tomatoes, peppers, and even cucumbers. What's even better? Basil can improve the flavor of tomatoes when planted nearby. It's a win-win for gardeners who love fresh produce with enhanced taste. To use basil effectively, place it close to plants you want to protect. It thrives in well-drained soil and sunny spots, making it easy to integrate into any garden setup. But here's something you might not know. Basil isn't just a repellent, it also attracts pollinators like bees, which are essential for a bountiful harvest. Plus, its leaves are packed with antioxidants, making it a healthy addition to your meals. Incorporating basil into your garden not only keeps pests away, but also enhances your overall gardening experience. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting, basil offers simplicity, flavor, and natural protection in one fragrant package. Now let's talk about nasturtiums, the decoy plant. Nasturtiums are the unsung heroes of companion planting. These bright, cheerful flowers work as trap crops, luring pests like aphids, cabbage worms, and squash bugs away from your valuable vegetables. Think of them as sacrificial plants that protect your garden by redirecting the damage. Plant nasturtiums near vulnerable crops such as cucumbers, zucchinis, and broccoli. Pests that would normally target your vegetables will flock to the nasturtiums instead. This clever strategy reduces the need for pesticides and keeps your garden eco-friendly. But nasturtiums don't just stop at pest control, they're also edible. Their peppery leaves and flowers can be added to salads for a burst of flavor and color. Plus, they attract beneficial insects like hoverflies and bees, contributing to a healthier garden ecosystem. These low-maintenance plants thrive in poor soil and require minimal care, making them an ideal choice for beginner gardeners. Whether you're looking to protect your crops, add some flair to your garden, or even enhance your meals, nasturtiums are a versatile and eco-friendly option you can't ignore. Our next plants are chives, a double-duty defender. Chives are small but mighty when it comes to pest control. Their strong, onion-like scent deters a variety of pests, including carrot flies, aphids, and Japanese beetles. This makes them an excellent companion for roses, carrots, and tomatoes. The beauty of chives is their perennial nature. They return year after year with minimal effort. Simply plant them around the edges of your garden or near specific crops you want to protect. Their clumping growth habit also makes them great for filling gaps in your garden beds. In addition to repelling pests, chives improve soil health by releasing sulfur compounds that naturally inhibit fungal growth. This helps prevent diseases like powdery mildew, which can devastate crops. Chives are also edible and packed with nutrients. Their mild, onion-like flavor is perfect for garnishing dishes, making them a dual-purpose plant that benefits both your garden and your kitchen. With so much to offer, chives prove that good things really do come in small packages. Next, we have lavender, the fragrant protector. Lavender isn't just a soothing herb for humans, it's a powerful pest deterrent for your garden. Its strong floral scent repels moths, fleas, and mosquitoes, making it a natural barrier against unwanted visitors. Lavender is particularly effective when planted near lettuce, cabbage, and other leafy greens that are often targeted by moth larvae. It thrives in sunny, well-drained areas and requires little maintenance, making it an easy addition to any garden. Beyond pest control, lavender attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, which are crucial for healthy plant growth. It also has antifungal properties, helping to prevent diseases that can harm your garden. And let's not forget its human benefits. Lavender can be harvested for essential oils, sachets, or even culinary uses. Whether you're looking to keep pests away, boost pollination, or add a calming aroma to your garden, lavender does it all with elegance and ease. Our next pick is mint, the versatile guardian. Mint is a jack-of-all-trades in the garden. Its strong, minty aroma deters pests like ants, fleas, and cabbage moths, making it a valuable ally for crops such as broccoli, peas, and cabbages. However, mint is notorious for spreading quickly, so it's best grown in containers to prevent it from overtaking your garden. Place the pot strategically around vulnerable plants to create a natural barrier against pests. Mint doesn't just protect your garden, it can also be used in teas, desserts, and home remedies. Plus, it attracts pollinators like bees, ensuring your garden remains productive and vibrant. By incorporating mint into your garden, you get a multi-purpose plant that works hard to protect your crops while offering plenty of benefits for your home. Last but not least, we have garlic, the pest whisperer. Garlic is a garden powerhouse. Its pungent scent wards off pests like slugs, Japanese beetles, and root maggots. Plant garlic near roses, tomatoes, and peppers to protect them from aphids and spider mites. Garlic also has antifungal properties, making it an excellent choice for preventing diseases like powdery mildew. It's easy to grow and thrives in various conditions, making it accessible for gardeners of all experience levels. But garlic's benefits don't end in the garden. It's a kitchen staple, packed with health benefits. You can harvest both its bulbs and greens, giving you double the yield from a single plant. With its ability to repel pests, prevent diseases, and enhance your meals, garlic proves that even the simplest plants can make a big difference in creating a greener, healthier garden. Bonus tips for success. First, mix and match. Combining multiple companion plants can amplify their pest-repelling effects. For example, planting marigolds, basil, and nasturtiums together can protect an entire vegetable bed. Next, know your pests. Identify the specific pests in your garden so you can choose the right companion plants to target them effectively. Finally, healthy soil matters. Companion planting works best when your soil is nutrient-rich and healthy, so don't skip composting or mulching. And there you have it. 7 incredible companion plants that can naturally keep pests away and transform your garden into a thriving, eco-friendly haven. Whether it's the bright blooms of marigolds, the versatile power of basil, or the fragrant charm of lavender, these plants prove that nature already has the best solutions for our gardening challenges. The beauty of companion planting is that it doesn't just protect your garden, it nurtures it, creating a balanced ecosystem where every plant plays its part. But why stop here? If you're inspired to take your gardening journey to the next level, I've got just the videos for you. Check out Organic Gardening Tips for Beginners, 10 Techniques for a Thriving Garden for simple, practical advice that's perfect for starting or improving your eco-friendly gardening practices. Or if you're excited to grow plants you can actually eat, Watch 10 most popular edible plants for eco-friendly gardens. These videos are packed with tips to help you build a garden that's not only sustainable, but also deliciously rewarding. Watch the videos and continue your journey toward a greener, more sustainable lifestyle. Remember, every small step you take in your garden is a giant leap for the planet. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friend. Happy gardening, and I'll see you in the next video.